Hello friends, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. Uh, Hello friends, hello guides, hello viewers, hello audience. Please subscribe my channel and your valuable comment and share like. My friend, my channel presentation total guidelines of search engine optimization. Uh, Step by step, one to one video, top to 10 minutes, 1 to 10 minutes these videos, and important guides and provide my channels, my lecture, my class, and my topics. This is the presentation, the most important topics: mobile search engine techniques, very important. Present time, the worldwide, the trillion user, the mobile phone, smartphone user, the worldwide. The present time, best highly techniques and search engine optimization, the mobile search engine techniques is very important point. The mobile search engine optimization techniques, million of users this day accept the web using smartphone running on Android, iOS or Windows. Hence we has becomes improve their the website, adapt thumbnail to this change Ebro moment and made subtle change in their website design to attract more viewership. The desktop version of the site might be defense to view and use on a mobile device. That version that is not mobile friendly requires that use to pinch or zoom in order to read content. Use find this the contrasting experience and are likely abandon this site in contain a mobile friendly version, repeatable and immediately usable. A rich Google update make it mandatory that a website should be mobile friendly to be effective on mobile search engine. That a website that is not mobile friendly will not have any impact on regular search engine either. In this chapter, we will see how to make a website mobile friendly in order to use the version who access the website from mobile device have an opportunity and experience. What is the mobile search engine optimization? What is mobile SEO? Mobile search engine optimization is process design website to make it the acceptable for viewers on mobile device a different search size having low bandwidth effort from following all the search engine optimization rules which is application to a desktop website. We need to take additional care when design and website more mobile device and mobile friendly this using. It has following the attention. A good mobile website has a responsive design with the platforms well on desktop as well as mobile device is not only dedication and meditation of the website but also make the cannot consider for this the search engine. The concern of good mobile website are easy to read on the mobile device without having a zoom at the screen. It has application font, color and layout. It is easy to navigate 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 through a good mobile website on a small screen. It provide link as button can be easily maneuvered using a finger. A good mobile website lightweight such that it taken less browsing and time to load up mobile networks. The homepage, a mobile website, play the most important role in connecting user to the connect they are looking from. Therefore, good mobile website make sure the most important links are displayed on homepage so that they get easy and visibility. The ranking of our website depends heavily on how user-friendly it can follow then the guidelines given below a design great more mobile-friendly website. Optimize your site for mobile. If your site already optimized for search engine, then the should not be too different to optimize it the mobile device. First, let use understanding what tracking to go mobile. We can creating to step into there are both categories. Number one, select a mobile configuration. Number two, inform search engine. Number three, Adobe Common Mistaker. The select at mobile configuration. There are three different mobile configuration that you can choose. Number one, response web design. Number two, dynamic service. Number three, is splitted URL. Each has its own advanced and advancing Google remake recommended and responsibility design. However, it supports all the configuration, the follow tabs, and the mobile configuration after URLs and HTML code. Responsive design system says and responsive web design Google recommend responsive web design. It is the simple on mobile. Dynamic service. Dynamic service is type of mobile configuration when URL your website remain uncurrent is HTML and access the mobile. When you contain dynamical service from the service, make sure you inform Google that then connect is covering may look different on mobile device. A major drawback of this approach what that while an additional process you connect that several level before saving in the user. This is the approach pattern uncertainty load on any several make loss. The split URL when you made two different split URL on the mobile user another or for desktop user, make sure inform Google extension when save and version Google. From the viewers of search engine optimization, each URL process set up hands in desktop ranking on Adobe mobile ranking by this will as an spectrum visitor. In from search engines, make sure Google and other search engine understanding your mobile configuration. Most important, all Google must be understanding your page to that can rank your website properly. How you inform Google defense on which mobile configuration responsibility web design dynamic service and spin URL encourages your site the responsive design Google algorithms can understand you the automatically without you having to inform Google. When you have a responsive design, just sure and have following metadata events. They are viewport and this kind of web page and oil display drives. The dynamic service make sure always Google data oil is configured using the Google. Common mistakes: slowly mobile page and do not CSS Java and mobile reading and however image putting on its pop useful tools Google Webmaster Tools mobile Google Webmaster Tools use the available Google tools and techniques, understand what that use, and that is should be able to design desktop and within mobile website. Mobile emulator, it is the show site and apps mobile emulator, most location responsive or design techniques, and scam prog and use and suites. The friends, very important present time, the worldwide millions of people user, millions of audience user the mobile, and mobile searching techniques is very important technique. Ultimately goal your business and your success. Thank you.